I'm Tejaswita and welcome to Pro Career Ignition. इंटरव्यू कॉल लेटर कैंडिडेट को आ गया है, बट उसके पहले what type of preparation we need to do. So today we are going to cover up a very important topic, especially for the candidates. Before the interview, what precautions and what measurement they have to do it so they can excel in the interview. So let's deep dive in all the points and let's understand. So now the first point is about the research the company. So now in the research the company, you have to go through the company's background. Now company के background में आपको क्या क्या research करना है. You have to understand where this company is located, how many offices they have, if they have the global presence or not, then what product and services they are having, what is the company's mission, vision is currently having and the future they have. इससे आपको पता चलेगा where the company is standing. Now second point is the knowledge about the company and the industry. आपको इंडस्ट्री का नॉलेज गेन करना है. इफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी इज कमिंग फॉलोइंग इनटू द एनी पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री, आपको उस इंडस्ट्री का नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. द पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी गेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस इनटू सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री, यू शुड नो मोर लाइक हु आर द कॉम्पिटिटर्स, ओके, और कौन नया कॉम्पिटिटर मार्केट में आ रहा है एंड हु आर द ओल्ड कंपनीज हु आर ऑलरेडी जाइंट बट दे आर कमिंग विद द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज. इसका नॉलेज आपको होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And third is important thing, events. Events is like a related to that industry or related to this company. Any event has happened in past, जिससे आपको knowledge मिलेगा कि company का prospect क्या है, in what direction they are thinking and what type of product in future they wanted to launch, or they are doing any social cause activities or something, जिससे आपके knowledge में to know more about that company थोड़ा enhancement हो जाएगा. Now the second point is like going through the job description, which is very important. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपने किस रोल के लिए अप्लाई किया है and what company is expecting the responsibilities. So my always suggestion to all the candidates, if any recruiter or any HR person is approaching you for any particular role, you should always ask the job description on the email. उससे क्या होगा कि आपको एक अंदाज़ा आ जाएगा कि आप कौन से रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो. So if you are applying also according to the job description, you can do the modification. Now come back to the topic. If you are preparing for the interview, आपको call letter आया है, so you have to break down into the two segment. एक तो job responsibilities and the second part is the skill. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में आपको हाईलाइट करना है विच आर द प्राइमरी एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू हैव टू क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ कि आपको ये वर्क करने आता है कि नहीं आता है. इफ यू आर वेल अवेयर ऑफ दिस रोल, well and good. If you are not aware, you have to learn little bit, you have to understand. ऐसा नहीं है कि this video only for the fresher, for the experienced people also, but many time it happens out of 10 you know 8 things but 2 things you are lacking, but you need to learn that. Now second thing, skill set. Now skill set में जो company is asking, client is asking, आपको judge करना है कि whether you are suitable, you are falling into that. For example, communication skill. If it is a sales role, definitely the communication skills are required. But if you talk about like any technical one, technical position, so technical के लिए आपके पास वो required technical skills है कि नहीं, and how much you will rate yourself to become at the pro, exactly 10 out of 10 मिलने के लिए आपको उस पर क्या learning करना है, that also you have to work on. So job responsibilities and the skills. So you have to understand that where you fit and accordingly you have to prepare your answers. Now the next point is like practice the common interview question. Now common interview question हर किसी को पता है and if person is not aware also, आपको chat GPT पे डाल के आपको you guys can come to know like a top 10 questions which are asked by interviewer, or then you understand these are the common questions. Now these questions has to be practiced. Okay, उनके जवाब आपको बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But there are certain patterns, there are certain essence which is required to answer. उसमें क्या होता है? You can follow the STAR method. You can search on the Google or you can search on the ChatGPT also. So S stand for situation, T stand for task, A for action, and the R for the result. So in this 4 category, ये 4 elements आपको ध्यान में रखें, आपको जवाब बनाना है. So if it is a something, tell me something about yourself, तो आपको precise जवाब देना है. I have mentioned in my previous video also कि आपको जो resume में है उसके out of कुछ ऐसा बताना है कि आपने क्या achieve किया है. Then second important thing when you go for this common interview, I personally feel these are most difficult questions. जो दिखता है सीधा वो इतना सीधा नहीं होता because it is a tricky questions indirectly to candidate. So prepare yourself that way. So आप fail ना हो जाओ किसी simple question को answer करने. Now the next important point is like you have done the preparation. आपने कौन से interview questions आने वाले हैं, you made the list and you started writing. But without having a practice, you won't get the best in the interview. So what you need to do, you need to do the mock interviews. अब mock interviews you can do it with your friends, your family or anyone जिनको आप पे trust है and people will not laugh at you. Most of the times we give up because हमें ऐसा लगता है सामने वाला person मेरे पे हंसेगा and then better not to do that practice. So if you're having that in your mind, please don't do that. आपको mock करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially when it comes to the particular role जहाँ पे technical role नहीं होता. Okay, technical role is like they will ask you certain questions about the software, then about particular project, how you deliver, what exactly do you, what are the challenges you face and how you come to the solution resolution. When it comes to the like a sales profile, HR profile or marketing profile, digital marketing profile, in that scenario you should aware about the scenario, कैसे किस type के questions आएंगे and same time you should prepare also. And for the preparation you have to do the mock interviews. So don't be afraid, start doing mock interviews with your family, friends. So in future it is going to help and you can boost your confidence also. Interview होता क्या है? To show your confidence, you are well aware about your company culture and I am suitable for this particular role. यही तो आपको दिखाना है. So once you are ready, आपको पता है ये 5 questions के लिए मैं ready हूँ. Tell your friends to check क्या जवाब आप देते हो and then tell that person to record so you can hear it out and you can. Now the next point is your show time. आपका इंटरव्यू का डे आ चुका है and you are getting ready to go for an interview. So most important thing, जिस दिन आपका इंटरव्यू है you have to stay healthy and be calm. You have to think positively. There should be no negativity in your mind कि मेरा इंटरव्यू कैसे जाएगा, who will be there in the interview panel कैसे होंगे, will they ask me this question, if they will not ask me this question. ये सब little voice जो आपके दिमाग में, आपके subconscious mind में घूम रहा है, you have to close it and you have to think कि मेरे इंटरव्यू में मैं excel कैसे कर सकता हूँ and how I can get this, how can I get this job. So this is the most important thing which people forget because they feel pressure because everybody are looking for a new job or expecting new job, new opportunity either for the money purpose or kuch responsibilities hai and the back of the mind only think about this. So stop listening your little voice and stay focused, be confident and stay positive. The next point is like your professional attire. आपको पहनना क्या चाहिए? So आपने जो पिछले दिन and whenever you got the interview call letter, you did the background check and the company background check, everything. You must have understood like what type of culture they are having. As per the culture, you have to wear the professional dress. My personal suggestion, ऐसे भी कपड़े मत पहनो जो थोड़ा vulgar लगे. You should be decent, confident, and when you sit for the interview, you should not feel uncomfortable. Whether it is a male or female, you should be comfortable. Whether you're folding your legs or you're keeping normal position, you should be absolutely comfortable. You can breathe in that particular dress. so you can give the right answer. Otherwise, in your mind, every time your little voice is saying, oh, I'm so uncomfortable in this dress, why did you wear, I'm not able to focus. So when you are choosing any attire, make sure like you will give a try, you will sit on the chair, you will make sure find out कि मुझे comfortable feel हो रहा है कि नहीं in this dress में. But professional attire is a compulsory whether you go to the any regular company, normal domestic company or international company. It has to be proper, but you should be more comfortable and easy to breathe kind of a dress you have to. So the next point is plan your journey. Now plan your journey, basically what you need to do, whatever timing company has given, you have to reach 15 to 20 minutes early. उसके एक दिन पहले आपको करना क्या है? You have to give a call to receptionist. You have to understand whether that company is having any parking slot or not. If not, then which are the areas where you can park your car or park your vehicle, so you will not be late. So that's the reason we always tell candidates, आपको आपकी प्लान शेड्यूल करनी है. So whenever you have an interview, please reach 15 to 20 minutes early, so that buffer time will help you if anything goes wrong. रोड पे ट्रैफिक है और you're not getting parking or you're completely muddy kind of तो आप वॉशरूम में जाके you can clean yourself and be ready for the interview. So this is a very important to plan your journey. 15 से 20 मिनट पहले आपको आपके डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचना है. And the last and least, you have to carry your resume copy and the required documents. Sometimes companies are not insisting, but it's always better to carry few documents. उसमें आपका resume आएगा, आपके certificates आएंगे, or you have any recommendation or any achievements you have gained, school say, college say, from the previous employer. Whatever you have, you should carry to showcase your interviewer कि you have done this. इंटरनेट से तो आप तो भेज ही सकते हो ऑन द ईमेल, बट ऑन द स्पॉट दिखाना एक अलग इम्पैक्ट होता है. सो ऑलवेज कैरी सम मटेरियल which will help you to prove your point कि I have done this kind of a job. So guys, if you like this video and if you're liking such kind of videos, don't forget to share, like and subscribe also. We are coming with a new series specially from the candidates. So this video especially like how you can get prepared for the interview in upcoming series also for the candidates. Stay tuned. Thank you.